Welcome back to US Car Review. This futuristic ultra-luxury concept motorhome is not merely a vehicle, it is a bold statement of ambition, performance, and refined freedom, meticulously engineered to merge the relentless power and beauty of Ferrari design language with the spacious sophistication and cutting-edge technology of a next-generation mobile residence, presenting a vision where speed, elegance, and modernity coexist in perfect harmony, and where every curve, surface, and line communicates an uncompromising commitment to excellence that transforms the very act of travel into an immersive experience of awe and desire. From the moment the eye lands on its commanding matte deep emerald green body, a color chosen to evoke rarity, confidence, and timeless style, it becomes immediately clear that this is not a conventional motorhome but a moving work of art, a dynamic sculpture that exudes authority and precision, capturing light and shadow across its advanced sculpted body panels in ways that highlight its aerodynamic intent and visual drama while suggesting motion even when perfectly still. At the front, the sharp, aerodynamic Ferrari-style fascia dominates with a sense of aggression and grace, featuring sleek, razor-thin LED headlights that cut through any environment with surgical clarity, while the low, aggressive nose embodies the stance of an elite supercar, anchoring the vehicle visually to the road and signaling uncompromising control, performance, and presence. Extended multi-level bodywork flows seamlessly from the front to the rear, with smooth, sculpted curves that create a sense of movement and athleticism, sculptural edges that hint at speed and precision, and surfaces that marry artistry with function, each detail meticulously designed to minimize air resistance while maximizing visual impact, all while preserving a bold, commanding presence appropriate for a luxurious, high-end lifestyle on wheels. Ferrari logos positioned on the front and sides are not mere embellishments, they are symbols of engineering excellence, heritage, and a relentless pursuit of perfection, instantly communicating pedigree and aspiration to anyone who beholds it, while glossy black multi-axle wheels with low-profile tires provide mechanical confidence, stability, and a muscular stance, further reinforcing the idea that this is a high-performance machine designed to command attention and admiration in any setting. The side opening of the motorhome reveals a breathtaking interior, a high-end modern environment that radiates warmth, intelligence, and refined minimalism, illuminated by soft ambient lighting that flows naturally through the space, accentuating architectural curves and creating a cinematic visual experience where every corner feels considered, every shadow purposeful, and every material chosen to convey sophistication, comfort, and exclusivity. Inside, the multi-level open layout is anchored by a floating staircase of glass and precision-engineered supports, appearing weightless yet utterly commanding, functioning simultaneously as a sculptural centerpiece and a practical connector between levels, elevating the sense of movement and openness in the space. Minimalist luxury furniture lines the living areas, selected with care for clean lines, perfect proportions, and premium textures, delivering comfort without excess, elegance without distraction, and an environment that emphasizes quality over quantity, where each piece is both functional and a work of design art. Expansive glass panels dissolve the boundary between interior and exterior, offering panoramic vistas that bring the surrounding environment into the living space, reinforcing a sense of openness, freedom, and immersion, and ensuring that occupants are constantly connected to the journey and the world around them. High-tech cockpit-inspired detailing permeates the interior, from the driver's control zone to the discreetly integrated smart systems that manage lighting, climate, entertainment, navigation, and security, drawing directly from Ferrari's racing heritage with digital precision, intuitive ergonomics, and control interfaces that convey speed, confidence, and mastery. Ultra-modern premium materials define every surface, from supple Italian leather and Alcantara to carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and advanced composites, each selected for tactile pleasure, visual impact, and long-lasting durability, creating an environment that feels simultaneously futuristic, refined, and intensely personal, offering a living experience that is as emotionally compelling as it is functionally superior. Every inch of the interior has been meticulously designed to foster fluid movement and comfort, where each element feels intuitive, harmonious, and intentional, reinforcing the philosophy that true luxury is not simply visual, but experiential, ensuring that every interaction, every touch, and every glance contributes to an overall sensation of refinement and control. Lighting is layered and adaptive, providing warmth, focus, and ambiance, transforming spaces seamlessly between social, contemplative, or entertainment modes, while highlighting textures, materials, and architectural elements with cinematic precision. The interior layout prioritizes both social and private experiences, allowing moments of connection and solitude to coexist harmoniously, and balancing intimacy with expansiveness to create an atmosphere that is simultaneously comforting and inspiring. The kitchen and dining areas are sculpted with clean modern lines, outfitted with state-of-the-art appliances and surfaces designed to complement the overall aesthetic, blending seamlessly into the broader architectural language of the motorhome, emphasizing elegance, efficiency, and intuitive usability. Every functional space, from lounges to work zones, sleeping areas, and entertainment nooks, has been thoughtfully curated to ensure consistency in material, proportion, and technological integration, creating a holistic environment where no detail is overlooked, no surface is superfluous, and every component serves a purpose while contributing to the overall narrative of luxury, innovation, and design excellence. This concept motorhome is not about compromise, it is about achieving a perfect equilibrium between the exhilaration of driving a high-performance machine and the serenity of a personal sanctuary, combining aggressive automotive DNA with the quietude, comfort, and refinement expected in the highest echelon of luxury living. Its presence on the road commands attention, admiration, and respect, asserting dominance without arrogance, showcasing the union of strength, speed, and elegance, and making every journey an unforgettable statement of style, sophistication, and technological mastery. The design challenges conventional expectations of scale, proving that size does not preclude grace, movement, or excitement, but rather amplifies it when guided by visionary intent, disciplined engineering, and precise execution. Every surface, from the exterior body panels to the interior walls, furniture, and controls, has been crafted to evoke emotion, to inspire, and to communicate a story of ambition, mastery, and uncompromising vision. This motorhome embodies a philosophy that celebrates freedom without sacrificing control, adventure without compromising comfort, and movement without foregoing meaning. It is designed for those who see the road not as a limitation but as an opportunity, a canvas, and a stage for expressing individuality, taste, and accomplishment. Technology, artistry, and craftsmanship are fully integrated, creating a living machine that is as intelligent as it is beautiful, where control, personalization, and adaptability are available at the touch of a hand or the thought of the occupant, making the entire environment responsive, anticipatory, and deeply satisfying. The Ferrari-inspired design language is evident not only in visual cues but in the mindset embedded throughout the concept, a relentless pursuit of performance, excellence, and engagement, where every decision in engineering, materials, and layout prioritizes human experience, emotional connection, and aesthetic impact. It reflects the spirit of modern luxury for the American market, combining independence, self-expression, and pioneering innovation with an appreciation for heritage, craftsmanship, and uncompromising quality. The motorhome encourages exploration and movement, inviting its occupants to embrace the journey with passion and confidence, elevating each mile traveled into an experience worth savoring, and transforming the act of travel into a multi-sensory adventure of sight, sound, touch, and emotion. Every aspect of this concept has been designed to harmonize, from the tactile richness of materials to the visual poetry of sculpted surfaces, to the seamless integration of technology and comfort, ensuring that life inside the vehicle is as engaging, luxurious, and effortless as it is inspiring and aspirational. It is more than transportation, it is a lifestyle, a vision of the future, and a tangible manifestation of possibility, demonstrating how imagination, engineering, and artistry can coalesce into a mobile sanctuary that delivers on every level of expectation, desire, and experience. From the commanding exterior to the immersive interior, from the floating staircase to the panoramic glass walls, from the Ferrari-inspired cockpit to the ultra-modern lounge and kitchen areas, every detail contributes to a cohesive narrative of performance, elegance, and sophistication, ensuring that every journey is memorable, every moment intentional, and every experience extraordinary. This motorhome is engineered to impress, to captivate, and to redefine expectations, challenging the norms of what luxury, performance, and mobility can be, and establishing a new benchmark in both automotive and experiential design. It is a symbol of achievement, a rolling masterpiece, a concept brought to life for those who demand more, dream bigger, and refuse to settle for ordinary, representing the ultimate fusion of automotive artistry, architectural innovation, and human-centric luxury that makes life on the road not just comfortable, but exceptional, transformative, and profoundly aspirational. It embodies the pinnacle of vision, craftsmanship, and imagination, offering a future-forward interpretation of mobility where every curve, every material, every technological touchpoint serves a higher purpose, and where travel is elevated to a cinematic, immersive, and entirely personal experience that speaks to ambition, refinement, and excellence in every sense. This is the ultimate evolution of the American dream on wheels, merging freedom, performance, luxury, and artistry into a single, unforgettable, and completely integrated living experience that is as inspiring to the eye as it is satisfying to the senses, as exhilarating to drive as it is comforting to inhabit, and as visionary as it is achievable for those who refuse to accept limitations in life, design, or experience. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.